the grueling journey to get a sense of the atmosphere and what it truly means rather to stand at the start line of the ultimate human race. We cross now to our reporter Tsepo Mujagi, who is at the starting point and capturing the mood of the city on the eve of this iconic event.
Well, thank you so much, Itumeleng. We are coming to you at the start of the 98th edition of the Comrades Marathon here in the Pietermaritzburg City Hall. This year's edition is an exciting one because for the first time in the history of the ultimate human race, there will be two separate starts for each of the two groups of the athletes. However, they are both going to take place right here in the Pietermaritzburg City Hall, which is the start place for the 49th Down Run edition. As you would know, Itu and the viewers, that the number of participants for this competition keeps on increasing each year. The first wave of runners is going to begin at 5:45, followed by another one at 6 a.m. And this is mainly due to safety reasons. Well, what I can just tell you, Itu and the viewers, about the University of Limpopo athletics team, which consists of 21 runners from Mankweng and other communities in Limpopo, they are all excited about this year's race. Even though they had several obstacles, they've managed to balance their training with work and personal commitment. Now, just to give you some feel of what is happening here on the ground, I'm going to bring in one of